With less than a week to go until the Iowa caucuses, former President Trump was not out in the Hawkeye State, but instead in a courtroom in D.C. Trump decided to join his lawyers in person as they went before a federal appeals court to argue that the former president is immune from his federal 2020 election subversion case.
It's a very bad precedent. As we said, it's the opening of a Pandora's box, and that's a very sad thing that's happened with this whole situation. And I feel that as a president, you have to have immunity. Very simple.
Trump was not required to attend, but he has shown a renewed interest in attending his court dates as the primary season heats up. Trump is attempting to toss his 4-count indictment by arguing that he has immunity from official acts committed while in office. After his trial judge rejected that argument, the issue is now before a 3-judge panel of the D.C. Circuit Court of Appeals. The 2 Biden appointees and the 1 George H.W. Bush appointee during the argument all seemed skeptical of Trump's immunity contention, however. During the more than 1-hour argument, one of the judges even posed hypotheticals.
You're saying a president could sell pardons, could sell military secrets, could order SEAL Team 6 to assassinate a political rival.
Sale of military secrets strikes me as something that might not be held to be an official act. The sale of pardons is something that's come up historically and was not prosecuted.
Trump's lawyers said a criminal prosecution in those scenarios would only be allowed if the president was impeached and then convicted in the Senate. But because Trump was not convicted and instead acquitted in the Senate, they argue that he cannot be criminally prosecuted. During the argument, Trump also came face-to-face with special counsel Jack Smith, the duo's first meeting since Trump's arraignment last summer.